Biden targets Shein, Temu with new rules to curb alleged abuse of U.S. trade loophole. In this video, we're going to be discussing a controversy that has been going on in today's world, and that is Joe Biden, the president of the United States, has targeted to one of the biggest companies when it comes to e-commerce, Shein and Temu, with new rules to curb alleged abuse of the United States trade loophole. Now, basically, the key points are that a new proposal from the Biden administration would prohibit products that are subject to the US-China tariffs from being eligible for a special customs exemption. Now, the de minimis loophole allows packages with a value of less than $800 to enter the United States with relatively little scrutiny. Now, officials do say that a recent explosion in the number of de minimis shipments is due largely to Chinese-linked online retail giants like Shein and Temu. Now, basically, if you want to get this news for yourself, if you want the authenticity, the source is CNBC itself, the national broadcasting channel, and you can find over here that they've let you know all the details on the Biden situation. They say the Biden administration announced new steps on Friday to curtail the overuse and abuse of a long-standing trade law that permits low-value shipments to enter the United States without paying import duties and processing fees. Now, the steps include a new rule proposal which would bar overseas shipment of products that are subject to US-China tariffs from being eligible for the special customs exemption. Now, basically, to sum it all up, what has been going on is that China has been using illegal means and loopholes to, overuse and abuse different types of, tariffs and different types of trade systems towards the United States. And obviously, the United States system and constitution hasn't been very happy about that. And what they've been doing is they have started getting new rules for companies, especially like Shein and Temu, which have been abusing this loophole the most allegedly. And obviously, what's going to be happening is all of these textiles and tariffs and loopholes are going to be banned. Okay, so all the trades that have been going on for Shein and Temu are going to be totally banned in the United States. And obviously, there's no further news upon this. We don't have any active analysis or any active news from Joe Biden or any of the US individuals themselves. So as soon as we get those news, we will let you know immediately. But till then, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.